never let anybody drive the car, so.
What is up, guys? Alex Z back with another video, and today we're going to be doing another review. I'm here with Brandon. You want to introduce yourself, Brandon?
Hey, what's up? I'm Brandon. I am 23 years old. Just bought this Mustang like a week ago. No, I'm joking.
No cap, bro. Week ago, and it's already freaking Procharged. It's not no regular Mustang. It's not no straight pipe Mustang. It's a Procharged. How much horsepower does this make?
Last time I dynoed it, it was 675 to the wheels.
And how much torque? Do you know?
It was 600 exactly torque.
Gosh damn, this thing is mean. How much do these weigh? Do you know?
Not sure.
No?
Not sure, no.
Okay, no problem. So another thing about today's review is that I'm actually doing a manual. You guys can't see it from this angle, but it's actually a manual Mustang. Every car I've reviewed so far has been an automatic, so I'm actually really excited to drive a manual because I personally drive a manual, and to me it just seems a little bit more fun and a little bit more engaged. So let's go ahead and start driving, and let's see how it operates. Oh, it's like mine, except yours is a lot less not stiff.
Side.
So what made you get a Mustang?
So my mom, when
there we go.
It takes a minute to get used to. But yeah, so my mom was like raising me when I was little. She bought a Camaro, and ever since then I was like the muscle cars kind of.
Okay.
And I figured I'd get like a Mustang, so I didn't want to get a Camaro like she had. So about this.
You wanted the V8, huh?
Yeah, originally I had the V6.
Oh, you had a V6 Mustang before this?
Yeah.
Oh, no way.
But that's slow.
Oh, hell yeah. No offense to V6 Mustang owners. It's just, come on, brothers.
I just like the sound better in this. Everything. It's just the feel, everything.
Yeah, it feels awesome already. Dude, the freaking, it's so easy to get into gear in this.
Yeah.
I'll let you drive my Z after, and you'll be like, oh, hell no. But the clutch is amazing. Is this a stock clutch?
Yeah, stock.
No way, and it can hold the freaking Procharger?
It has so far. Fingers crossed.
Alright, well, hopefully it stays that way. My God, that is so loud, bro.
It has long tube headers, an X pipe, and then a muffler delete or a muffler bypass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are you still on 91?
Yeah.
How come you haven't gone to 85 yet?
So I'm actually in the process of doing E85. I've been talking to my tuner, and I've been getting a lot of the stuff together to convert over. I just haven't like pulled the trigger yet.
And who's your tuner?
CCC Motorsports.
And where are they at?
They're in Santee.
Oh, okay, cool. How's your experience been with them?
Oh, they're awesome. So when I got it tuned last time, they found like a bunch of stuff wrong with it, and they actually like went out of their way to fix it for me with no extra like labor costs or nothing like that.
Oh, that's sick, dude.
Yeah. Everything on this car is stock except for the oil pump gears and crank sprocket gear and the Procharger.
What kind of Procharger is it?
It's actually the P1SC1. I actually went cheap on it and regretfully bought the lower end one.
The lower end one?
But
you can literally almost pretty much just slap on a Procharger without doing anything.
Yep.
Technically.
Pretty much, yeah.
That is insane, dude.
That's why I went for it.
That's why you get V8s. Now we're gonna go ahead and do some rolls. I'm gonna start off with the 40 roll in third gear, just so I can kind of feel it out a little bit.
second gear.
Yeah, it is. I'm just trying to find Does this thing move a lot?
Yeah. I put Loctite on it, but it still doesn't
It still
work.
moves? The top end beast.
Yeah, it is.
Want to run over a little kid in a bike in a Mustang.
Yeah,
I would say this will be a successful review if we manage not to run over anybody.
I think I've done pretty good so far.
So tell us a little bit about your wheel and tire setup.
So right now I have Barstow rims on the front. I have the Raystar Skinnies, but I'm not putting those on right now, just cause.
Yeah.
And I have the Raystar rears. They are the 17s. I'm pretty sure that's the smallest wheel you can put on a S550 Mustang. And I have the 305 Mickey Thompson's on. And yeah.
305 by what? Do you know?
305 by 45s.
Yeah. Stock suspension or?
Yeah, stock. Well, I have Eachbach. I don't know how to say it. Eachbach.
Eachbach
lowering springs. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They ride really nice.
Yeah.
I thought that car was a really good daily, but honestly, this thing's pretty nice too.
Yeah.
This is a good daily.
Because it's not like straining on it unless you're like actually like in the boost RPM.
Yeah. Like right now, I just feel like I'm driving a normal Mustang. I'm sure it is, bro. This thing blows. I feel like being passenger in the car.
It's so scary. I don't know. It's awesome, but
it's like different, right?
It's so different.
Yeah.
So different.
It's 'cause literally your life is in my hands, you know?
It really is. And I never let anybody drive the car, so it's a little weird for me.
I would say I'm pretty good.
Yeah, you did pretty good. Not gonna lie, you didn't miss a gear, nothing.
It's me, bro, with the big wheel and the big tire and the wheel. You know this thing move, bro. So far, guys, I have no complaints about this. Honestly, this is something I would not mind having. The only issue I have with this is that the shifter moves a little bit, but that's not really the car. It's more like, I feel like, is it the knob maybe?
Yeah, the knob, just you need to lock tight. That's it.
Yeah, and that's it. But besides that, this thing is freaking smooth and no complaints at all. This is pretty freaking sick, dude. thank you so much for having me review your car, bro.
Yeah, man, anytime.
Thank you for trusting me. What'd you think about my driving skills?
You did pretty good, not gonna lie.
Alright, cool. And alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm actually gonna be filming a C7 Corvette tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe to watch that video. Peace.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop.